by there are TC Village Gen and Temple. National Tainan University of the Arts. Wu Shen TOU Reservoir Scenery District. Heaven Platform Suspension Bridge. The creator of Yuho Holy Temple is Senior Elder Chen and Justice, guarding great immortal after death. His hometown is Guangtian Township, TC Village. The big wood carving Buddha is the general palace of the dynasty. The House of Historical Deed of Grand Senior Elder He. And pictures of founder, Patriarch Maitreya, Patriarch Zheng, Matriarch Su. Pictures of set-wise persons of shining. Photos of campaigns of domestic and foreign holy temple, Tao Society. Sage lectures, relic. There are classrooms of reading sutra at the first floor. The classroom of traditional music class. Zen in chorus group classroom. The classroom of XIN main class of college section courses of 4-year system. To conduct Tao Di Sutra class. The lecture of cultivating for teachers of child reading sutra. The class of English study of truth of college section. Woodcut pictures of Tao lineage enlightening masters of 64 generations. Office and friendship home. Yuho assembly of many persons' love and wishes. The exterior of first floor contains the poetry in pairs of culture of Tao Society. The carving with 9 dragons companioning congenital mother, the Almighty God, and the carvings of supernatural tortoise and dragon, horse, and pictures with words of truth and advising people to do good deeds. Floor 2, 3, 4 dormitory, the wing, rooms of eastern and western side. 8 units with loyalty, filial piety, benevolence, kindness, trustfulness, righteousness, harmony, equalness. Each Tao transmitting master has a restroom. The catalogue of campaign order of classes.